Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Listen up investors, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Nvidia, the graphics chip powerhouse, is gearing up to announce its latest earnings on August 28th. Mark your calendars because this is going to be a pivotal moment. This is a big one, folks. The anticipation is palpable and the stakes are high. Nvidia has been on fire lately and everyone wants to know if they can keep up the momentum. The company's recent performance has been nothing short of spectacular. Nvidia is a leader in graphics processing units, or GPUs. These tiny powerhouses are the backbone of modern computing. They power everything from gaming PCs to data centers. Whether you're a gamer or a data scientist, Nvidia's technology is likely at the heart of your work. And let me tell you, the demand for their chips is through the roof. The tech world can't get enough of them. Why? Because Nvidia is riding the AI wave like a pro surfer. Their innovations in artificial intelligence are groundbreaking. This earnings report will give us a glimpse into the health of Nvidia's business. It's a crucial indicator for investors. Are they selling enough chips? Are their profits growing? These metrics will be under the microscope. These are the questions on every investor's mind. The answers could shape the future of the stock market. Get ready for some fireworks. The market is bracing for impact. Nvidia's earnings are always a market mover. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this.
Nvidia has been knocking it out of the park. In the last quarter, they crushed earnings estimates. Revenue soared and profits skyrocketed. Investors were doing the happy dance. Analysts are expecting another strong quarter. The whispers on the street are saying that Nvidia could beat earnings estimates again. That's right, even higher than expected. Now, I'm not saying to bet the farm, but things are looking good. But it's not just about one quarter. Nvidia's long-term growth potential is off the charts. The demand for their chips is only going to increase as AI becomes more powerful. Hold on tight because Nvidia is on a roll.
Let's talk about the elephant in the room, artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing the world, and Nvidia is at the forefront. Their GPUs are the brains behind AI applications like self-driving cars and facial recognition. The AI market is exploding, and Nvidia is cashing in. Every time a company develops a new AI product, they need Nvidia's chips. It's a beautiful thing for Nvidia investors. Nvidia isn't just riding the AI wave, they're driving it. They're constantly innovating and developing new chips, specifically designed for AI workloads. This is what sets them apart from the competition. AI is the future, and Nvidia is perfectly positioned to profit from it.
Wall Street analysts are practically drooling over Nvidia. They're falling over themselves to raise their price targets. Everyone wants a piece of the action. Most analysts have a buy or strong buy rating on Nvidia stock. They see the company's growth potential and they like what they see, and who can blame them? Nvidia is a money-making machine. Of course, there are always a few naysayers. Some analysts are worried that Nvidia's valuation is getting ahead of itself. They argue that the stock is overpriced. But let me tell you, those analysts are in the minority. The overwhelming sentiment on Wall Street is bullish. Investors are betting big on Nvidia, and for good reason.
Section 5 challenges ahead. Can Nvidia stay on top? Now let's not get ahead of ourselves. Nvidia has been a dominant force in the tech industry for years, but the landscape is ever changing. Nvidia faces some challenges, just like any other company. These challenges are not just technical, but also strategic and operational. The tech world is constantly evolving, and Nvidia needs to stay ahead of the curve. Competition is heating up, and innovation cycles are getting shorter. Other chip makers, like Intel and AMD, are trying to muscle in on Nvidia's turf. They are investing heavily in research and development. They're developing their own AI chips and trying to steal market share. This means Nvidia has to continuously innovate to maintain its edge. But Nvidia is a tough competitor to beat. Their engineers are some of the best in the world, and their technology is cutting edge. Another challenge is the global chip shortage. This has disrupted supply chains and affected production timelines. This has been a headache for the entire tech industry, and Nvidia is not immune. They have had to navigate these supply chain issues carefully. The shortage has made it difficult for Nvidia to meet the soaring demand for its chips. Consumers and businesses alike are clamoring for their products. Despite these challenges, Nvidia is in a strong position. Their stock performance has been impressive, and they continue to receive accolades for their innovation. They have a proven track record of innovation and a loyal customer base. Their R&D efforts are second to none, and they frequently launch groundbreaking products. I'm confident that they can overcome these hurdles and continue to thrive. With their strong leadership and dedicated team, Nvidia is well equipped to stay on top.
Section 6. The future of Nvidia innovation is key. Nvidia's future hinges on one thing: innovation. They need to keep churning out cutting-edge chips that power the latest and greatest technologies. And let me tell you, they're up to the task. Nvidia is investing heavily in research and development. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with GPUs. They're not content with resting on their laurels. One area where Nvidia is making big strides is in the metaverse. Remember the metaverse? It's the next big thing in tech, and Nvidia wants to be a major player. They're developing chips and software that will make the metaverse a reality. As long as Nvidia keeps innovating, they'll be a force to be reckoned with for years to come.
Section 7. Understanding the risks, competition, and beyond. We've talked about the good, now let's address the elephant in the room: the risks. Every investment has them, and Nvidia is no different. Smart investors understand the downside before they buy. They know that being well-informed is key to making sound financial decisions. Competition is fierce in the chip market. It's a battleground where only the strongest survive. Companies like Intel and AMD are breathing down Nvidia's neck. They are constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries. They're hungry for a bigger piece of the pie, especially in the lucrative AI market. This market is growing rapidly, and everyone wants a share. Nvidia can't afford to get complacent. They need to stay ahead of the curve and continue to innovate. The global chip shortage is another risk factor. It's a complex issue that affects the entire industry. While it's easing, supply chains are still fragile. Any hiccup can cause significant delays and impact production. Any disruptions could impact Nvidia's ability to produce and ship its chips. This could lead to missed opportunities and lost revenue. That would be bad news for business. It's crucial to keep an eye on these potential pitfalls. Remember, folks, no investment is risk-free. Every opportunity comes with its own set of challenges, but understanding the potential downsides helps you make informed decisions. Knowledge is power, and being prepared is half the battle.
Section 8. The Kramer Call. Don't miss this earnings report. Mark your calendars, people. August 28th is going to be a wild ride. Nvidia's earnings report will be a major market event. You don't want to be caught off guard. Pay close attention to the numbers. Did Nvidia beat earnings estimates? How did revenue and profits grow? These are the key metrics to watch. They'll give you a sense of the company's overall health. Listen carefully to the earnings call. What does Nvidia's management have to say about the future? Are they optimistic about the company's prospects? Their tone and comments can provide valuable insights. This earnings report is a must-watch for any investor interested in the tech sector. Don't miss it. Section 9. Nvidia's legacy shaping the tech landscape. Nvidia is more than just a chip maker. They're a pioneer, an innovator, a game changer. They've played a pivotal role in shaping the tech landscape we see today. From their early days as a graphics card manufacturer, Nvidia has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Their GPUs have powered countless gaming experiences, fueled scientific breakthroughs, and enabled the rise of artificial intelligence. Today, Nvidia's technology is everywhere. It's in our gaming PCs, our data centers, our self-driving cars. Their chips are the unsung heroes of the digital age. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: Nvidia will continue to play a vital role in shaping the world around us. Their legacy of innovation is far from over.